Tracfone Error Code 19, or payment session error, typically occurs when the Tracfone app or website has trouble processing transactions or maintaining a session. This means you might face issues adding airtime, making payments, or accessing your account details. The root causes often involve network problems, outdated app versions, corrupted app cache, or device-specific issues. It's essentially a client-side problem where the app can't properly authenticate with Tracfone's servers due to corrupted cached data or payment gateway mismatches. Common triggers include poor connectivity, simultaneous logins, or app bugs, especially on older devices. Here's how to fix error code 19. First, reset the app cache by going to your device settings. Find the Apps section in Settings. Select Tracfone, then go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting user data. If that doesn't work, try logging out and back into the app or force closing it completely. Restarting your device can also help flush out temporary glitches. Make sure your payment details are correct, you have enough funds, and disable any VPNs as they can cause IP address conflicts. If problems persist, try reinstalling the app from your app store. As of recent updates, Tracfone has integrated automatic cache clearing prompts within the app to make fixing this error easier.